At 11 tonight, some state leaders hope to change current restrictions for a popular medication used for abortions. The state's Attorney General Josh Stein is pushing to make that change here in North Carolina. And WECT's Maura McJilton talked to the Attorney General today. Maura, he said he's planning to go to court to make sure women have access to this medication.
Yeah, John, the Attorney General says even the conversation surrounding this lawsuit is problematic for women who should have the right to make a healthcare decision between themselves and their doctor.
Restrictions on abortion pills have raised concerns among many health experts in North Carolina. Patients must take the drug mifepristone in person in front of the doctor that prescribed it after a 72-hour waiting period. Dr. Amy Bryant filed a lawsuit against the state saying the restrictions go beyond the FDA's recommendations. North Carolina's Attorney General Josh Stein says he agrees.
I'm part of a coalition of states that are telling the court, asking the court to reject the effort of these Republican AGs to strip away from women their reproductive freedoms. The medication abortion is incredibly safe.
Stein says limitations for the drug place a burden on women who are trying to get access to what the FDA says is a safe and effective drug.
And it's been proven effective for over 2 decades. And for them to try to take away from women this right to their own health care is very problematic, and I'm in court fighting back against them.
With Stein opposing the state's law, House Speaker Tim Moore and Senate Leader Phil Berger filed a motion to defend the restrictions, which the judge granted. Moore and Berger released a statement in part saying, quote, "The Attorney General has made it abundantly clear that when faced with the opportunity to uphold his oath or advance his political career, he will pick his career every time. Since Attorney General Stein won't do the job he was elected to do, legislative leaders will intervene in this case to defend our state's pro-life laws," end quote. Stein's position is the state law makes it tougher for women to get the drug that the federal government does not restrict in the same ways.
Now, Speaker Moore and Senate Leader Berger have until March 24th to send a written response to the judge in their defense of the state's current restrictions. Maura McJilton, WECT News.